to kasi hindi na siya makakommunicate. Cannot communicate with the husband. So, communication is broken down. So, itong mga anak, sometimes yung iba will go to prostitution, baski bata pa, yung iba maging addict na rin, maging distributor. It compounds the problem and it progresses. Parang progression ng algebra yan, kung hindi kayo, puro bobo ito, mga puti na ito. You don't know what progression is. And that's a problem. That is why in the United States and all over the world, it is the progression of the contamination. Mabuti pa itong kriminal, patayin mo, di tapos na. Gago kayo, tapos ako pa niyo ang kulungin ninyo. Buang. Trabaho na nga ako dito na tapos ako pang ikulong ninyo. Buti tapon ko kayo dyan sa Pasig. Because you do not use just your common sense. It does not call for anything. It simply requires you to think and think hard. Pagka wala na ang asawa kung saan, the easiest way is to go to a maraming recruitment, isa pa yung bantay kayo. Yung recruitment, pagka isali ko kayo dyan sa Durugista. You're destroying the country, sending Pilipinas na walang papel. Alam mo, when you go to the Middle East, they are transported from one place to another and they end up in the slave markets of Africa. Kaya marami ng Pilipina napakasakit isipin na hindi na makauwi at hindi na ninyo narinig kailanman. Kaya yan ang produkto ng, nakikita mo yung mga Pilipina doon, for those who are not really protected, tumatalo na lang sa bintana. Basta na lang tumatakbo sa bintana na. Why? Because there are some tribes in the Middle East na pag ikaw ay slave o bayad ka, you work for them. Rape is part of the territory. Tindihan niyo. Alam ko yan kasi pumunta ako doon, may 3 taga Davao na kinuha ko kasi nagbibigay ng rosaryoan. I have nothing against Islam. My mother is a Marano. A mestiza Marano. Pero alam mo, you do that to this. Hayaan lang, total, ang ako, bunganga, hanggang bunganga mo lang ako. Wala bang namatay niyang putang ina, baski si putang ina mo, patayin kita. Hanggang dyan lang man yan. Pero minsan, sinabi na sa inyong wag eh. Wag is wag. May province, kaya mga taga Davao, kita naman ninyo, we're well off. We are progressive, it's clean, it's modern, although its traffic is horrible. It's because when I was a mayor, ang gaya ko pag wag-wag, ang mahirap dito eh. So, that's why we have to seek sanctuary in the many human activities. Sports. Kaya sabi ko, mabutit na lang. Well, I'll try to talk things over with Congress. Yung allowance ninyo, dapat yung pagkain libre na. Yung allowance ninyo yan. Do not have to share it. Guro, isang atleta mag-training kanang allowance. Mga 250,000 a month. Okay na siguro yan. O, hold upin ko pa yung sarili nating bangko. Well, anyway, ganito yan. We will try to raise the money. I heard Alan say that you're giving 1 million. 100 million. For the Olympic. Ma'am, pwede tayong magdagdag. Now, the lady here, she's a very good lawyer. She used to be the immigration officer. She's Andrea Domingo. Mahiyain. Kaya mag-commit na siya. Although, hindi ka agad. Pwede mo mag-spread yan as the training. So, I have another 100 million. Para... But yan lang, I'm very strict about money. And I'm very strict about money. And kailangan talaga, must be accounted up to the last centavo. Walang pera, wala akong ibigay yung pera. Hindi naman atin yan eh. Hindi akin yan. So, ibigay ko yan. And for the good and the interest of our country. Kaya pero yung droga, huwag kayong... Yung corruption, ako na ang bahala. Hindi ko talaga, no corruption. I've been mayor for 23 years. I was elected in 1988. I never lost an election. Hanggang diretso-diretso na ako. Kaya ako stricto talaga. Meron akong, I have faults. Plenty. But yung hindi yung putang inang pera. Mga malayo ang tinay. Ganun lang yan. Pero hindi kayo kasali. Mga bata man kayo. So, that's it. Trying to balance para through our distinct brand of Filipino resilience and determination to succeed, the diligence of our organizing committee officials and partners, technical teams, and our athletes, we have ensured that we would host the SEA Games with aplomb. With 149 golds, 117 silvers, and 121 bronzes, for a total of 387 medals, the Philippines emerged as the overall champion of the Games, our best since we hosted. Alam mo, Pinoy, sabihin, supportahan mo lang talaga. Totoo yan. Even our soldiers. Even our policemen. Dito lang naman sa Manila yung mga loko-loko. But in the provinces, except for mga cosmopolitan. Pero hindi ko talaga yan sa papalusutin. Nang bubugbog talaga ako ng tao. Lalo na kung pulis. Nang bubugbog talaga ako ng tao. I just take this opportunity to congratulate everyone who played an integral part in its success. This outcome serves as a testament of the great things we can achieve when we work together. To our athletes, know that the prizes you will receive for your victorious, by the way, it's about how many? Ilang milyon na, Bong? Oh, sa lahat.